So right now I am on my way to Otis College to take part in a Project H design workshop.
Project H is a global coalition of designers, product designers, environmental designers, graphic designers, all coming together to work on projects that are geared towards the social good. What we're doing today is we have an existing prototype for what we call Cornucopia, and it is conceptually a vending machine for edible plants, where you're taking the little seedlings that you grow in the classroom, you're selling them back to the parents, but we're redesigning it to use readily available materials, kind of a low-tech approach to design. So we've got a whole slew of recycled materials kind of laid out. It's a little bit like that scene in Apollo 13 where the astronauts, encounter this big issue, right? And down on the ground at NASA, they come into the room, right, and they spread out all this stuff on the table, and they say, it is now our task to fit this into this using only this, right? And so then they go frantically and they design this system, and somehow they make it work. That is the type of thing that we're doing today, where we're saying, okay, we have this kind of palette of potential materials that we're using, and we're bringing all of that together and designing the system within the next 2 hours. Like ideas, it's just a crazy brainstorming session, and everyone puts their heads together, and in the end, hopefully, we have a new system.
So how do you think the workshop went today?
I think it went well. It was our first workshop that wasn't related to object, and I think it went really well. We had a lot of different designers, some who were fine arts and going into product, or people from different schools like Art Center and Otis. And I thought it was really nice. We had some really great ideas, and they utilized materials in a way that we wouldn't have thought of otherwise. So I think the next step is to kind of take these ideas, show them to Emily, show them to the New York chapter, get some feedback, and then have another workshop and develop this a little further. That was 2 hours, right? We had a 4-hour workshop. 2 of it was spent in groups of 5 or more people, hashing out problem solving one issue, right? And how many things did we come up with? I mean, it's amazing. This couldn't be done with one person. The amount that you get done is incredible.
So, on behalf of the Fiesta movement and me, we'd like to present Project H with a donation of $500. Work on future projects, and I really had a great time working on this project today.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.